If you're an adrenaline junkie with a passion for off-road adventures, then having a proper vehicle can make all the difference. Get ready to unleash your adventurous spirit with our hand-picked selection of 4x4 camper vans that are specifically designed to tackle the most rugged terrain and provide the ultimate thrill-seeking experience. So if you're ready to take your off-road escapades to the next level, join us as we explore 5 off-road 4x4 camper vans for extreme adventures. When it comes to exploring the great outdoors, the Rigwell Blanco 4x4 camper van stands out as a remarkable choice. With its rugged construction and off-road capabilities, it allows adventurers to venture into remote locations with ease. It comes equipped with the classic BFG KO2 tires, renowned for their exceptional performance and durability. Paired with the Method 703 trail wheels, it ensures optical traction and stability. To enhance its off-road capabilities, this camper features a Van Compass suspension system. This suspension system offers multiple modes that can be adjusted according to your specific trail requirements. Whether you're traversing rocky landscapes or tackling sandy dunes, it provides a smooth and controlled ride. Inside the van, you will find generous storage cabinets that provide plenty of space to pack all your essential camping items. From cooking essentials to hiking gear, you can conveniently store everything you need for your outdoor adventures. It is designed to provide versatility in seating and dining arrangements. The driver and passenger seat are rotatable, allowing you to turn them around and create a cozy dining area inside the van. A good night's sleep is essential for any outdoor enthusiast, and the Rigwell Blanco ensures your comfort with its well-designed sleeping arrangements. Alongside the spacious queen-size bed, there is an additional one-person bed, perfect for bringing along a friend or a furry companion on your journey. Moreover, this camper is equipped with a cassette toilet, providing a convenient bathroom option during your travels. The showering system located at the rear of the van allows you to freshen up after a day of exploring, ensuring that you stay clean and rejuvenated throughout your camping trip. The Glampervan MUV is an excellent choice when it comes to the combination of luxury and adventure. This meticulously crafted van offers a unique blend of elegance and functionality, providing a luxurious experience in the heart of nature. Step inside the van and you will find its exquisite wooden finish interior. The attention to detail is evident, with carefully crafted wooden panels adorning the walls, ceiling, and flooring. This design choice not only adds a touch of sophistication, but also creates a warm and inviting atmosphere. Prepare to be surrounded by natural beauty as you embark on your journey. You'll find plentiful storage options to accommodate all your camping gear, ensuring that you have everything you need for your outdoor adventures. The Glampervan MUV is equipped with a large water tank and a hot water system, providing you with the convenience of a readily available water supply. Whether you need to wash dishes or freshen up, you can enjoy the comforts of hot water wherever you go. Additionally, the van boasts its own electrical system, complete with a 300 amp-hour lithium battery. This enables you to power your devices, charge your electronics, and enjoy the benefits of electricity even in the most remote locations. It features a convertible queen-size bed. With the ability to fold the bed, you can create additional room inside the van for various activities. Whether you need extra space for dining, working, or simply lounging, the flexibility of the convertible bed allows you to adapt the interior according to your needs, ensuring maximum comfort and convenience during your travels. The Outside Van Caldera camper van is a testament to the perfect fusion of comfort and adventure. Built on the reliable Mercedes-Benz Sprinter chassis, this camper van offers a world of possibilities for outdoor enthusiasts. Stepping inside the van, you'll be greeted by a spacious and luxurious interior. The elegant wooden finish creates a warm and inviting atmosphere, providing a touch of refinement to your camping experience. The van offers storage solutions for all your camping essentials, including dedicated spaces for kitchen utensils, cookware, and personal belongings. The full-size sink allows for convenient meal preparation and cleanup, while the induction cooktop offers a modern and efficient cooking experience. With this camper van, you'll have everything you need to whip up delicious meals on the go. It is designed with your comfort and convenience in mind. Ambience lighting creates a cozy atmosphere inside the van, perfect for relaxing evenings or unwinding after a day of adventure. An exhaust fan ensures proper ventilation, allowing fresh air to circulate and keep the interior comfortable. The van is equipped with a 630 amp-hour lithium power system, providing ample energy to power your devices and appliances while on the grid. The van features a large bed that offers comfort and relaxation, ensuring you wake up refreshed and ready for the day's activities. Additionally, the Caldera provides storage solutions, including the ability to store your mountain bike inside the van, allowing you to bring your gear along for outdoor excursions. The outside van Caldera camper van is a true marvel, combining comfort, functionality, and style. The Jayco Terrain camper van is the epitome of a small but mighty adventure vehicle. Combining the rugged capabilities of the Sprinter 4x4 premium Mercedes-Benz chassis with the luxury amenities, this camper van provides a perfect balance between off-road exploration and comfortable living. Whether you're traversing rocky terrains or parked at your favorite campsite, it ensures that you can embrace the great outdoors with ease and style. This camper van is built to handle rugged terrain with confidence. Its powerful drivetrain combined with advanced suspension and traction control ensures that you can navigate rough roads, steep inclines, and unpredictable terrains without compromising on stability and control. Driving the Jayco Terrain is a breeze thanks to Jayco's innovative J-Ride ride and handling. This advanced system enhances the van's already easy-to-drive nature, providing a smooth and stable ride on various road conditions. The combination of upgraded suspensions components, sway bars, and carefully tuned shock absorbers ensures precise handling and minimizes body roll, allowing you to navigate winding roads and uneven surfaces with confidence and ease. The Jayco Terrain is more than just a camper van, it's a gateway to embracing the great outdoors. The Vansmith Rack and Roll 2.0 is a camper van that redefines adventure. With its sleek design, functional features, and attention to detail, this camper van is built to provide a comfortable and memorable experience on the road. One of its features is its spacious bed, providing a comfortable and restful sleep during your outdoor escapades. With a bedside window, you can wake up to breathtaking views and immerse yourself in the beauty of nature. The wooden cabinets add a touch of elegance to the interior while providing ample storage for your belongings. With their sleek and durable construction, these cabinets ensure that everything has its place, allowing for an organized and clutter-free living space. The camper features a sink with a closed wooden part, allowing for a seamless and tidy design. The Vansmith Rack and Roll 2.0 is equipped with off-road rims and tires, making it ready to tackle various terrains with ease. Whether you're traversing rugged trails or navigating challenging landscapes, these durable rims and tires provide the necessary traction and stability, ensuring a smooth and controlled ride. Whether you're enjoying a meal or simply relaxing in the outdoors, the awning creates a comfortable and inviting outdoor living space, allowing you to fully embrace the beauty of nature. So that was our video on the 5 off-road 4x4 camper vans for extreme adventures. Let us know your favorite pick in the comments section. Also, we'd love to hear from you. And for anything else, don't forget to like, comment, and share. Also, hit the bell icon if you want more content like this on your feed.